In this video, we're going to be breaking down Anthony Chaffee's video on why people are quitting the carnivore diet from a doctor's perspective. And stay tuned, my people. This is going to be a good one. Welcome, everyone, to my very humble life. Now, this subject is a little bit controversial, but very interesting, and that is Anthony Chaffee put out a video that states, here's why everyone quit the carnivore diet, doctor's explanation. So right there, of course, I don't care, because there are no carnivore doctors out there. There is no school of carnivore doctorism. There's just people learning just like other people. And a lot of individuals get caught up in the whole MD title, although it does sound more prestigious, but really you could make more critical mistakes because of that. But I digress. Let's pull up Anthony Chaffee right now, and we're going to do a deep dive into this video. Now, some things he says I resonate with, and there are some things I think are just gaslit nonsense. So let's see if he's being objective, in my opinion, because that's all I have right now. Let's go.
Not everyone is quitting carnivore now or previously. I'm not quitting carnivore. Dr. Baker's not quitting carnivore. Dr. Sean O'Mara, Dr. Kilt, and so many others. Just a few vocal individuals.
So I'm going to dissect things that people may not pay attention to, and they may not mean anything to most people, but they mean something to me when he uses doctors as his example, as if they are kissed by God himself to anoint these people who claim themselves as doctors. Because that's how I feel now with the way the medical industry is heading.
Who are now quitting carnivore loudly and saying that they get a lot of people saying they're having problems too. Fair enough. If they want to do something else with their life, that's their life. However, more and more people...
Okay, so if you want to quit and want to do something else, that's your life. So he just did that. He just did we're going to push those people to the side, because guess what, y'all? Those are my people. Yes, those people that quit end up knocking on my door. And they're like, Stephanie, like, I had a consultation today, which is why I want to do this commentary video. The people that quit carnivore are quitting because they are having issues, severe health issues. But let's keep going.
Than ever are coming to carnivore to find true healing, and many of them are finding that they're reversing diseases that...
You got to listen, people. So the people who stick with carnivore are trying to find true healing. Of course, that I know anointed one. And I mean, I'm not even picking apart you, Anthony Chaffee. Some things I vibe with. Like, it is not a dig at him. But let's continue.
Heretofore have never been able to be reversed before. And so why in God's name would they ever quit? And in fact, they're not. I have hundreds of patients who are still doing carnivore and not.
Okay, you just said there are people quitting. Now you're saying, in fact, they're not. And you have hundreds of patients. Okay, I've been doing this for years. And to go through hundreds of patients, that's people seeing people all day long. But I believe that in the medical practice, you're not supposed to teach carnivore diets. Maybe I'm wrong. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. As an MD, you're not supposed to teach that, especially when you don't have a nutritional degree. Okay.
Quitting, I have worked with over 10,000 people online who have come through my different groups.
You've worked with 10,000 people online. I don't believe that. It took me years to hit 10,000. I mean, years and years and years and years and years and years to hit 10,000. So you are personally in groups working with individuals within a group. Look at that. Over 10,000 people online who have come through my different groups. 10,000 people? Just you? Surely not. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think so.
I am not getting a whole bunch of people saying, wow, this is not working for us. In fact, I get more and more messages saying this is working for us. This is really saving my life. This has really changed my life in all these valuable ways. A few years ago, Dr. Saladino decided he wanted to come off carnivore, but he's really still very animal.
Did you hear him stumble? He wanted to quicker come off carnivore because we got to keep the bro, we rub each other's elbows to make money. Okay, just my opinion. Just my opinion. He just literally changed his wording from quit to come off carnivore. But it literally says with the text, but he really still, what is it? It says, but he's really still very animal based. Animal based? What the frack is that? That's some made up words. Animal based. Everybody who eats freaking carbs is animal based, or else they're vegan or vegetarian. Make it make sense.
Now, he feels that ketosis.
And he feels that is right for him. But you guys are doctors. You can't go by what feels right for him, because he's preaching fruit and milk and honey, which is like loaded in sugars, fructose. Okay.
Was a problem for him. And while I don't know what his main issues were, I don't think they were from ketosis, because I've been in ketosis.
Wait. You don't know what problems he had, but you think he had no problems. So you think he had no problem with ketosis? What did he say? I don't think they were from ketosis because I've been in ketosis. I guess he's been in ketosis. I don't know. I just feel the gas in the match.
Is longer than he has, quite a lot longer than he has at this point. So have millions of others, and entire populations of humans have been in ketosis their entire lifespan.
More lying. This is just straight out lying. You don't know that. I've coached 10,000, and I've been around since 2010. And I would not say that thousands of the people that I've coached were in ketosis. I'd say they hit ketones here and there, and people's definition of ketosis is to have a 0.5. That's not ketosis. Nobody's looking at blood sugar. Nobody's looking at cortisol. Are your ketones over a 3.0? Because surely you're not using them. You see, if you make broad strokes, you can claim anything. But if you get detail-oriented, perception changes.
And not had the issues that he has had. So regardless of the issues he had, I don't think they're coming from...
You said millions or thousands and people haven't had the problems that he's had? What are you have no references. You're not showing anyone. You're making broad statements from a doctor's perspective who's not a nutritional doctor. Okay.
From ketosis in any case, but that was his decision. And he did that. So why are some people quitting? Well, some of them, it just doesn't meet with their lifestyle choices. They want to have a...
So millions are doing great and some are quitting. I'm really stuck on every word that comes out of the mouth. The pie hole.
A larger variety of food to eat. And they want to be social and not get pressure from their family and friends. Some people do bow to that social pressure, even though they feel...
That's what you're leading with? You're leading with that people feel pressured. Not the fact that their hair's falling out. Not the fact that they're having back pain. Not the fact that their uric acid levels go up, not the fact that their B12 numbers go up, not the fact that their iron goes up, not the fact that they've developed chronic constipation, thyroid issues, kidney issues. Oh, blood sugar issues. Okay.
Better when on carnivore. They don't feel that they can maintain that because of all the social pressure. And that's pretty unfortunate, because I'm sorry. Like, it's not a dig at him as a person, because I don't know him. It's just the stuff coming out of his mouth is such garbage. It's too generally stated, and people will listen to him and believe every word, and then do these diets, and then they end up at my door because I start saying things that feel too difficult. He's making it sound so lovely. Carnivore, that is. These people have actually found they have huge health benefits and felt so wonderful eating this way. And so coming off of that for social pressures is a pretty unfortunate reason. We've seen Joe Rogan, who's been a big advocate of the carnivore diet, talk about how he will come on and off it, possibly for some of these reasons, possibly because he would get quite bad loose stools while he was doing it sometimes, but generally... Loose stools. Okay, Dr. Anthony, why do people develop loose stools on carnivore diets? Well, let's hear what he's got to say. That would resolve, and resolves for most people. Quite often people are just still drinking coffee when they go carnivore because they don't.
Okay, loose stool, it comes from two reasons mainly. Number one, you have a gallbladder issue, you have a pancreatic lipase issue, or you have a dehydration issue, which you can develop diarrhea. Yes, people don't realize that when they are experiencing diarrhea that they could be experiencing dehydration.
Don't want to give that up, and that can cause a laxative effect. And when you get rid of fiber, which actually
no, giving up the coffee is causing you, he's not explaining, he says can cause a laxative effect when you get rid of fiber. Laxative effects when you get rid of fiber, getting diarrhea when you get rid of fiber. No, it's from their gallbladder, right? Because they're eating fattier cuts of meat.
actually slows things down. It doesn't speed things up. That can cause loose stools. Also, tea, caffeine, artificial sweeteners, magnesium.
I mean, I could be wrong, but I have never had anybody develop diarrhea because of a laxative effect. Less fiber means diarrhea? I've never heard of that in my life. Never. My mom's dog is going nuts because he's hungry. Excuse me.
Magnesium supplements and medications like metformin can also cause a mild laxative effect. And so some people can get loose stools because of that. Also,
metformin? Who the frack is on metformin? What does metformin have to do with carnivore? Are you making that connection? No. So this is a medication to get your blood sugar down. So you're talking about people who've got insulin resistance, or did you say, no, you didn't say that. Okay.
it can come from eating the wrong amount of fat. Your body has a limited capacity to absorb fat. And after that, 90% of the fat that...
Nonsense. Nobody has a limited amount of digesting fat unless, my people, unless they have a gallbladder issue. My mom's dog is hungry. Yeah. My people, nobody has an issue with digesting fat when they have a high functioning gallbladder, pancreatic lipase, and they have good production of taurine and glycine, caloric acids, good digestion. No one is going to have a gallbladder issue on no one is going to have a fat digesting issue. They're only going to have an issue with fat if they have a problem with these amino acids, or with their stomach acid, or with their gallbladder, or with lipase. That's it. Carnivore can make your hormonal issues even worsening or worse when you cannot balance your blood sugar. If you can't get your cortisol in check, can't get your sleep in check, circadian rhythm, your hormones will worsen because your body's used to carbohydrates and glycogen. And then there's the whole ketosis thing, which hasn't even mentioned yet.
First and foremost, and how is your health? How are you feeling? Are you coming off medications? Is your blood pressure coming down? Is your diabetes reversing? Is your autoimmunity going into remission or improving? These are really important questions to ask and things to focus on. So keep an eye on the benefits.
The most important thing is to, I'm gonna have to do part 2. All right, guys, I got to do a part 2. And I think I'm going to do part 2 and 3 because every time he opens up his mouth and says something, I've got something to say. These commentary videos have nothing to do with how these individuals are in their life, if they care about their grandparents, if they've got good friendships with people, if they do self-love. It has nothing to do with that. It's just the enormity of people dealing with advice that actually is harmful, in my opinion. It's just my opinion. I own the patent on my opinion. And they end up in my DM saying, please help. I followed this advice and I'm starting to struggle. And that's why I do these videos. So comment below. Do you want me to do part 2 and 3? It's a long video. I think it's almost 30 minutes long. And I'm out because I got to deal with my mom's dog, who is 19 years old and hungry. And when he wants, he wants. Plus, I got horses that are hungry outside too. So let's break this up so it doesn't get too late. Yeah, but life is good. Life is amazing. And I'm going to start showing you some of the videos of my build because I'm doing it a lot myself. because nobody wants to work anymore. And I'm out. Energy on this beautiful day. Peace. Oh, if you guys feel like you need help, you can go to Stephanie Ketogenic. I'm going to change that name. Also, my Facebook fan page is Stephanie the Business Person. You can also go to my website and book a consultation if you feel like you need help not being gaslit. I mean, if you need objective information as to why you're gaining weight and why your hair is falling out and why you're constipated and just your health is not improving and when it did just in the beginning. Also, not everyone can just do a carnivore diet, so how to navigate between the diets. That also includes my course where I cover 3 dietary measures: keto, carnivore, and low carb, high fat. And I'm out because the day is too beautiful to be inside doing videos. I know.